and therefore we are moving in that direction.
Now, still in study and renovation, the Bukhungu Stadium will be open by the end of June and be open to the public the following month. Parliamentary Sports Committee Chair Dan Wanyama inspected the ground that has consumed 3.1 billion shillings so far. The Buea West Member of Parliament, however, wants the county government of Kakamega to pay the previous contractor over 600 million shillings owed to them.
I want to comment that at least there is a sign of some good work going on. And I want to appreciate the previous county government that has done quite much, and the national government is coming in to do the finishing. And so far, the scope of work that has been explained to us, we are confident as a committee that it will meet the deadline, and that is by June 30th, this stadium should be put to use as it is designed.
Kulingana na hali ya fedha, sasa capacity yenye tunapangia ni 24,000. Na tukiwa hapa, tumekubaliana vile rais alisema ya kwamba zile pending bills zilipwe na county government, na saa hii tuko na contract mpya ya kumalizia stadium.
And finally, Ruben Amorim believes United can bounce back from the loss to Newcastle, where they lost 4-1.